I grew up as kind of a family man, small town. Always had the drive to help people and be understanding, and always was in athletics growing up. I loved baseball, basketball, football, Boy Scouts, outdoorsy kind of guy. Love hunting and fishing and golfing and all that sort of thing. If it's outside, it's for me. My wife and I, we got married a few years ago. I have a lot of nieces and nephews, love my family. We all live pretty close together, so we're always hanging out and finding excuses to do something together. We strive to have progress every week as you're coming in here, making you feel comfortable and safe in an environment that might be intimidating. Right? You come in and you're hurting, you don't know what to do, you don't want to move necessarily because things hurt, and just to know that we'll be working with you at your level to make sure that we're not aggravating anymore. We want to only do positive for you and help you attain your goals and get you where you want to be. And I think the staff is wonderful too. You don't get that everywhere. Everyone gets along pretty well and it's a good, fun environment. So, yep, keeps me coming back.